Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and today our car tire punctured, so we're going to show you the process how we change our tire. So this is the tools that you needed. It usually comes with the car manufacturer at behind of your boot. So let's start it. So the very first step, of course, you need to go inside your car and pull your handbrake up so that the car is stable and cannot move. Secondly, you need to take this lifter to point at the designated area, and don't lift it up yet, but start to loosen your screw. Let's start. Okay, now let's start to loosen our screw. Sorry, it's not screw, it's nut. Cannot open. Oh my gosh. Let's try again. So this is what happens when you cannot open your screw. Just stand up and just wrap it down. Be careful, remember. And after we loosen our screw, the next is to continue to lift it up and take our tire out. So after we lift up to the whole tire is already lifted up, next is continue to unscrew it. Spare tire usually will be at behind your boot as well, so you just need to go there and take it out the spare tire and just fix it back. And of course, for some car it didn't come with spare tire, but if your car do, it usually at the back. Just slightly tighten it up first, and after that lift it down. I mean lift the whole car down. So I guess you guys just now got see how I twist this jet, right, to lift it up. Wow, stupid me. It actually, you can use this to hook into this and just twist it. Okay, stupid me. See? Got tools, win already lo? Not everyone got tools one what? Okay, you win.